Meet the next generation of smart roof maintenance, the autonomous roof cleaning robot. Built with 4 powerful rubber wheels and a precision air vacuum system, this robot moves effortlessly across metal sheet roofs, clearing away leaves and dust with ease. At the front, a high-speed blower rotates up to 120 degrees, blasting air to remove every trace of debris. Designed to handle uneven surfaces and roof ridges, it maintains perfect balance and traction at all times. This smart robot can also be controlled with your mobile phone. Adjust the speed, direction, or cleaning power right from your fingertips. Stay safe on the ground while the robot does all the work above. Its lightweight yet durable frame ensures stability even on steep slopes, while intelligent sensors guide it precisely across the roof. No ladders, no risk, just smooth automatic cleaning. Whether it's dry leaves, dust, or small debris, this robot keeps your roof spotless and safe, saving time, energy, and effort. Smart technology. Clean results. Your roof's new best friend, the roof cleaning robot.